If you're an SEO beginner, mastering off-page SEO reporting might seem like climbing Everest, but fear not, we're here to make it a breeze. Off-page SEO might sound daunting, but it's super important for boosting your site's visibility. So how do you create an off-page SEO report? Step 1. Gather your backlink data. Tools like Ahrefs and SEMrush can help you spot where your links are coming from. Next, analyze the quality of those backlinks. Look for high-authority domains linking back to you. They're gold. Moving on, track your social signals. Shares, likes, and mentions on social media play a big role in off-page SEO. Don't forget to include this in your report. And finally, monitor your brand mentions. Tools like Google Alerts can notify you whenever your brand is mentioned online. It's all about keeping your finger on the pulse. Feeling overwhelmed? No worries. Authority Solutions has got your back. Our team of experts specializes in off-page SEO, and we can take the hassle out of reporting for you. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and happy reporting.